Hey everybody, it's Jeff from Nu Yawk, and today I am back in Las Vegas. Off the Las Vegas Strip today, we're going to visit Area 15, which is marketed as a wonderland of art, music, and amusement. As you can see, the geological coordinates are printed on the building in case your Uber driver needs some help. In the background, you can see the Wynn and the Encore and Resorts World, just to give you an idea how far from the Strip we are. Not really walking distance. Photo opportunities are abundant here at Area 15. We haven't even gone inside yet, and there's tons of pictures you can take out here. Now, I did visit the Omega Mart. That was a video probably about 2 months ago, maybe 2.5 months ago. Omega Mart is located inside Area 15. The Omega Mart is huge, so I decided to break that video out separately. So we're going to see everything else here today at Area 15. And if you're interested in seeing the Omega Mart in detail, again, that video is available here on the Nu Yawk channel. So get ready to amp up your senses and leave your expectations at the door. You are now cleared to enter Area 15, an intensely surreal, yet deeply familiar immersive playground where everyone has a part to play. Everything you see, feel, and touch is a festival for your imagination. Alrighty, let's check out everything else out here and head inside, shall we? This is Mitzi, the rubber ducky showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Enter the What's Next District. Discover portals of otherworldly experiences. A multiverse of attractions and events await to entice and enthrall. The melange of restaurants, bars, and shopping diversions invite you to revel and indulge. At Area 15, too much is just right. Now the website says Area 15 adventurers can dive right in with the free entry pass, which is what I did. It's free to get into Area 15. Feel free to walk around, pull up to a bar, have a drink. A lot of these experiences, though, you need to pay to go see once you're inside. So keep that in mind. You can experience bundles or put together a curated insider package. It's all on the website. All the things that you can see and do, the things that are free, the things you have to pay for, all on the website. Again, everything I'm going to do today here with you guys is free, so you get to see the entire free experience. This is Wild Muse. Whether you're a festival regular or just like donning utterly creative pieces and appreciate otherworldly wares, Wild Muse is your new candy shop. The boutique features one-of-a-kind, handcrafted, sustainable apparel, accessories, art, and eco-friendly health and wellness products from both local and global creators. So come on and bring out your inner weird to the fullest. Try on things, play dress up, and dance to the rhythm of your own drum. Hey, if you're finding this video as trippy as I am, why not give it a thumbs up, and while you're at it, subscribe to the Nu Yawk channel. It really does help the channel out, and don't forget to click on that notification bell. You'll be notified immediately when new videos are uploaded and new posts are posted on the community room. Dining at Area 15 will be a full sensory experience that goes far beyond the plate. Enjoy out-of-this-world cuisine and cocktails inside a multi-dimensional canvas featuring visionary artists from around the world. This is Rocket Fizz. I love the store Rocket Fizz. They had one back in Atlantic City too at the Ocean Casino and Resort. Very trippy candy store. This is the beast. Even the pickiest eater will find something mouthwatering within the fiery walls of the beast. Renowned chef, restaurateur, and four-time James Beard Award winner Todd presents his curated map of flavors to guests at the whimsical world of Area 15. This is Dueling Axes Move Over Bowling. Meet your new favorite bar sport that lets you satisfy your primal desires, axe throwing. I've said it in other videos, Kappa Toys is one of my favorite toy stores in the entire world. They don't have them on the East Coast as far as I know. I only see them here when I'm in Vegas, and there's one at the Fashion Show Mall. They don't call it the Fashion Show Mall anymore, it's just the Fashion Show. But I didn't realize they had one here, so I'm very happy, very surprised. Let's check it out. So this one here at Area 15 doesn't have the same product mix as the one at the Fashion Show, but I'm glad it's here, but again, not the same merchandise. Makers and Finders is a vibrant, upbeat coffee bar where specialty coffee, inspired breakfast treats, and hospitality are the program pillars. All beverages and syrups are handmade by trained baristas, making it the most unique specialty latte menu in Las Vegas. There is a mezzanine here at Area 15. Let's go check it out, shall we? Brainstorm is kind of like a brain tease. What's your story? Only the brain knows. How does Brainstorm know what you're thinking? Only its creators know for sure, and they're not telling. This is Virtualis VR, powered by the latest technology in virtual reality. Users can immerse into new worlds in ways they've never experienced before. Virtualis VR, by the way, virtual reality, is considered one of the best virtual reality spots in the world. These zipline riders coming by us right now are riding the Halley's Comet, dip, soar, and glide down the spine, the nerve center of Area 15. And again, Omega Mart is downstairs, the entrance we're taking a look at right here, and it's such a huge attraction here at Area 15. You could spend hours in there, and I pretty much did. So again, that video is available here on the New York channel if you want to check it out. Big attraction, not only here at Area 15, but lots of people from around the country are checking out the Omega Mart here at Area 15. This is 5-Iron Golf. It's a urban indoor golf experience that combines a unique mixture of golf and entertainment with community-focused vision of making the game more inclusive and accessible. Kinda like a Topgolf if you ask me. Coming up here is Wink World, a psychedelic art house. A new feature on the Nu Yawk channel is the Super Thanks button, which is close to that thumbs up button that I know you've already clicked on. Clicking on that Super Thanks button not only shows your support for the Nu Yawk channel, but really helps the channel grow. And doing so will let you leave a colorful comment pinned above all other comments here on this video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.